Welcome to the AutoVision channel. Hyundai Tucson 2025. The Hyundai Tucson 2025 is set to revolutionize the SUV market with its cutting-edge technology, electrification efforts, and innovative design. This next-generation model promises to deliver an unparalleled driving experience, setting a new standard for what a modern SUV can be. The Hyundai Tucson 2025 overview. The Hyundai Tucson 2025 represents a monumental leap forward in the evolution of the SUV. This vehicle has been meticulously designed to stand at the forefront of automotive innovation, embodying the perfect blend of aesthetics, functionality, and forward-thinking technology. As Hyundai's answer to the increasing demand for versatile, efficient, and technologically advanced vehicles, the Tucson 2025 emerges as a beacon of progress in the SUV category. This model ushers in a new era for Hyundai, showcasing a commitment to excellence and innovation. Every aspect of the Tucson 2025, from its aerodynamic silhouette to the sophisticated suite of onboard technology, has been crafted with precision and vision. The vehicle's design philosophy centers around harmonizing form and function, ensuring that each feature not only enhances the vehicle's visual appeal, but also contributes to an improved driving experience. At the heart of the Tucson 2025's appeal is its adaptability to diverse driver preferences and lifestyles. Hyundai understands that today's drivers are looking for more than just transportation. They seek a vehicle that reflects their values and supports their daily activities. Therefore, the Tucson 2025 is designed to be as versatile and dynamic as the lives of those who drive it. Powertrain and performance. Diving into the heart of what makes the Hyundai Tucson 2025 stand out, its powertrain and performance capabilities mark a significant evolution in automotive engineering. This new model offers a diverse range of powertrain options tailored to meet the demands of modern drivers. From advanced gasoline engines that provide a perfect balance between power and fuel efficiency to innovative hybrid systems that blend performance with environmental stewardship, the Tucson 2025 ensures that every drive is both thrilling and responsible. For those who prioritize eco-friendly driving without sacrificing performance, the fully electric model of the Tucson 2025 is a game changer. Equipped with a state-of-the-art electric motor, it delivers instant torque and smooth acceleration, making every journey a pleasure. The electric Tucson not only exemplifies Hyundai's commitment to sustainability, but also represents the pinnacle of electric vehicle technology with impressive range capabilities and fast-charging features. Whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, the Tucson 2025 provides a driving experience that is unmatched in its class. Its responsive handling is complemented by a meticulously tuned suspension system, ensuring that comfort and control are maintained across all driving conditions. The powertrain advancements also contribute to a noticeably quieter cabin, enhancing the overall driving and passenger experience. Exterior design and features. The exterior of the Hyundai Tucson 2025 is a masterpiece of modern automotive design, embodying a bold, futuristic aesthetic that sets it apart on the road. Its sleek lines and dynamic curves not only contribute to its striking appearance, but also enhance aerodynamic efficiency, optimizing fuel consumption and reducing wind noise. The front fascia is highlighted by an innovative lighting system incorporating LED technology for both headlights and daytime running lights, which accentuates the Tucson's distinctive visual identity. This SUV features a commanding stance, underscored by a wider grille and robust wheel arches that accommodate an array of wheel designs, catering to personal taste and enhancing its overall sporty profile. The attention to detail extends to functional elements as well, with roof rails that blend seamlessly into the design, offering practicality without compromising style. The Tucson 2025 also introduces a range of new exterior colors, each carefully chosen to complement its contemporary design ethos. With these thoughtful design elements, the Hyundai Tucson 2025 not only promises to turn heads, but also to redefine the standards of SUV aesthetics, making it a true icon of design innovation. Interior innovations and comfort. The interior of the Hyundai Tucson 2025 has been thoughtfully designed to offer supreme comfort and a host of innovative features that cater to both driver and passengers alike. The cabin space is a harmonious blend of luxury and technology, featuring premium materials and a layout that maximizes space and convenience. Ergonomically designed seats offer superior comfort and support during long drives, with options for heating, ventilation, and adjustable settings to accommodate various preferences. Ambient lighting sets the mood of the interior, with customizable colors that allow occupants to personalize the cabin atmosphere to their liking. Noise cancellation technology ensures that the interior remains a tranquil oasis, even when navigating through busy city streets or highway driving, enhancing the overall sense of calm and comfort inside the Tucson 2025. The dashboard and center console have been reimagined to integrate seamlessly with the vehicle's advanced technological features, offering intuitive access to climate controls, navigation, and entertainment systems without detracting from the vehicle's sleek aesthetic. A state-of-the-art infotainment system boasts a large touchscreen display, providing easy control over a wide range of functions and ensuring that information is always at the driver's fingertips. Advanced safety features. The Hyundai Tucson 2025 is equipped with an array of advanced safety features that are designed to protect passengers and enhance the driver's ability to navigate safely under various conditions. These innovative systems utilize the latest in sensor and camera technology to offer comprehensive coverage around the vehicle. One of the hallmark safety technologies is the Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, ADAS, which includes features such as forward collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. These systems work in harmony to detect potential hazards on the road, offering corrective actions or alerts to prevent accidents. Another key feature is the blind spot collision warning system, which alerts drivers to vehicles in their blind spots, making lane changes safer and more confident. A tech-savvy SUV. In the realm of modern vehicles, the Hyundai Tucson 2025 stands out as a beacon of technological advancement. This SUV seamlessly integrates advanced digital features that cater to the contemporary driver's needs for connectivity and convenience. Among its standout tech features, voice recognition technology allows for hands-free control of the vehicle's systems, making adjustments to climate control, navigation, and multimedia systems effortless and safer while driving. Smartphone integration is another highlight, offering compatibility with major operating systems to ensure drivers can stay connected to their digital lives without distraction. This integration provides access to apps, music, and contacts, all navigable through the vehicle's intuitive touchscreen interface or voice commands. Furthermore, the inclusion of in-car Wi-Fi elevates the passenger experience, ensuring connectivity for all occupants, whether for work or entertainment on the go. The Tucson 2025 also incorporates advanced connectivity options that extend beyond the confines of the vehicle itself. Features such as remote start enhance convenience, allowing drivers to precondition the vehicle to their preferences before even stepping inside. Vehicle diagnostics accessible via a smartphone app empower owners with information about their vehicle's health and maintenance needs, ensuring their Tucson 2025 remains in peak condition. Share your thought about this video in the comment box. Please like this video and subscribe now